ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। We supposed to see Yushmat Shabda. Can anyone decline?
युष्मत् शब्द दकारान्तः युष्मत् शब्दः त्वं युवां यूयं त्वां त्वा युवां वां युष्मान् वः त्वया युवाभ्यां युष्माभिः तुभ्यं ते युवाभ्यां वां युष्मभ्यं वः त्वद् त्वत् युवाभ्यां युष्मत् युष्मत् तव ते युवयोः वां युष्माकं वः त्वयि युवयोः युष्मासु.
Then next shabda is Simhaha pratah kalaha madhyahnaha sayankalaha margaha. All are like Rama Shabda. Nisha is the Strilinga Shabda, like Rama Shabda. So we have done enough practice. So we will do Atmanepadi Dhatu practice. So far we did not do Atmanepadi much. So we can do Atmanepadi. You can do alphabet order so that confusion won't be there. If someone can do or I can do, that kind of confusion won't be there. Save Dhatu, Sevani. So Aparna ji has done and her turn will come again. Then next. Anusha is there?
Latlakara sevate sevete sevante sevase sevethe sevadve seve sevavahe sevamahe. Lotlakara sevatam sevetam sevantam sevasva sevetham sevadvam sevai sevavahai sevamahai. Langlakara asevata asevetam asevanta asevataha asevetham asevadvam aseve asevavahi asevamahi. Vidhiling seveta seveyatam severan sevetaha seveyatham sevedvam seveya sevevahi sevemahi.
Next Dhatu. Labh Dhatu.
Lutlakara is not.
Lutlakara.
Root I already opened. Did not do.
లేదమ్మా. సేవిష్యతే, సేవిష్యేతే, సేవిష్యంతే, సేవిష్యసే, సేవిష్యేథే, సేవిష్యద్వే, సేవిష్యే, సేవిష్యావహే, సేవిష్యామహే.
In this Rachananvada Kaumudi, the order is different, Lakara's order. But how to remember Lakara's order in this Ashtadhyayi? Like first La came, then Akara, Ikara, Ukara, then Rukara, Okara, then Vyanjana, consonant, Nga. Lang Lakara, Vidhiling. Okay, lung, after lung, there is given ling. From lung onwards, this consonant is there after la, that lung, ling, ling, again lung, ru, like that. So that order, if we remember, then it will become easy. What are the lakaras? Okay, after save dhatu, lab dhatu. Jaya is there?
Yes, Amma.
Decline.
Okay. Labate, labate, labete, labante, labase, labhathe, labadve,
Labhethe.
labhete, labadve, labe, labavahe, labamahe, lot, lab, lo,
This is lot. Labhatam.
labatam, labetam, labantam, labasva, labhetham, labadvam, labe, labavahai, labamahai, lang lakar, labhata, labetam, labanta,
Where is
labhatha.
What happened to Alabhata?
Alabata, alabetam, alabanta, alabathaha, alabhetham, alabdvam,
Alabhat.
alabadvam, alabe, alabavahi, 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 alabamahi. Amma next
You are saying without seeing or with seeing?
Amma with seeing Amma.
Okay. Vidhiling.
Vidli. Alabet,
Where you are seeing? Wait. Where you are seeing?
కాదు అమ్మ ఇది ఫోన్ లో సరిగ్గా కనపడట్లేదమ్మా లభేయాతాం లభేయాతాం లభేర
Okay. Understand.
లభేత అమ్మ ఇది ఒకటి చెప్పేస్తాము లభేత లభేయాతాం లభేరన్ లభేయా లభేయరన్ లభేతాః లభేయాథాం లభేయధ్వం లభేయ లభేవహి లభామహి
Hmm.
Amma next labisha.
You can say that without seeing lapsyate.
Labsyate. Labishyate. No?
Lapsyate.
Labsyate. Labsyate. Lab. Amma labishyate na labsyate na.
Lapsyate.
Lapsyate.
Hmm.
Lapsyayete. Lapsyayete. Lapsayante. Lap. Lasya. Lasyase.
Lapsyase.
लप्स्यसे लप्सयेथे लप्सये लप्स्य लप्स्यद्वे लप्स्यये लप्स लप्सयावहे लप्सयामहे
Hmm. Page number in book, page number. If you have Rachananvada Kaumudi book, in that page number 154 onwards, Vadi Gana, Prathama Gana, Atmanepadi Dhatus have started Sevate from there. Next, Save is there, Labh Dhatu is there, Vridh Dhatu is there, all Dhatus are there. Those who are not able to see on mobile, they can look at the book. It will be easy. Okay. Page number 154 onwards is there. One by one. Dhatus are there. Vridh Dhatu.
Purnaji, there is a, in that, in between for future tense, it's not complete for lit. If you see in the labdhatu, it says lapsyate, lapsyate, lapsyante, and then the next line becomes lut and ashir ringa, the line after that.
Where?
In the book.
In the book. Oh.
I'm looking at the online copy.
Mm-hmm. They have given only Prathama Purusha.
Yeah.
They have not given. So it is similar to Save Dhatu. That's why they have not given. So we can look at the Save Dhatu and decline Labh and Vridh, all Dhatus.
Okay, thank you.
Save Dhatu has given completely. So Sankshipta Rupa is also given. So you can look at if you need Sankshipta Rupa. Vridh Dhatu. There are two dhatus are there. Vridh, Vridhau, Bhadigana. We are doing this Bhadigana. Another is Vridh is Bhashayam. That is Churadigana. So based on Gana, sometimes meaning can change. This is Churadigana is 10th conjugation, 10th Gana. And both are, this is Atmanepadi and this is Ubhay. Kavya? Kavya is there?
అమ్మ చెప్పండి అమ్మా.
Decline this dhatu. Vardhate, vardhete.
కొంచెం మీరు గలత ఉందమ్మా.
Okay. Next, Prabhaji.
Okay. Vardhate, vardhete, vardhante, vardhase, vardhethe, vardhadve, vardhe, vardhavahe, vardhamahe. Lot lakar. Yeah, lot lakar is vardhatam, vardhetam. Yeah, vardhatam, vardhetam, vardhantam, vardhasva, vardhetam, vardhatvam, vardhai, vardhaihi. No, there's no.
There is no visarga.
No, yeah. Vardhai, vardhavahai, vardhamahai. Next is lang lakar. Right there. Avardhata, avardhetam, avardhanta, avardhatha, ha, avardhetam, avardhadvam, avardhe, avardhavahi, avardhamahi. Vardhish, so it is revealing next. Yeah. Vardheta, vardhetam, vardhe, oh no, right. Vardheta, vardheyatam, vardheran, vardhethaha, vardheyatham, vardhedvam, vardheya, vardhevahi, vardhemahi.
For Nrit Lakara, two kinds of forms are there. We can decline both.
The Parasmepadi and the
Hmm.
okay. So Nrit Lakara, it's vartsyati, vartsyatah, vartsyanti, vartsyasi, vartsyatah, vartsyatha, vartyami, vartyavah, vartyamah. That was Parasmepadi. And the Atmanepadi is vardhishyate, vardhishyete, vardhishyante, vardhishyase, vardhishyethe, vardhishyadve, vardhishye, vardhishyavahe, vardhishyamahe. And
So generally, so far we saw that Atmanepadi, if it is there, all lakaras are in Atmanepadi. Parasmepadi is there, all lakaras are in Parasmepadi. Or Ubhayapadi, complete. But this dhatu has only one lakara, Parasmepadi, Atmanepadi. Okay, Vruddhatu. Then Mud. It is better to use the save dhatu.
thank you.
By seeing the save dhatu, mud dhatu, you can decline. Next, Sirishaji.
I should do mud, right?
Yes. Will you be able to do, or shall I open the mud dhatu?
I will try. Mudate, mudete, mudante.
Okay. Mud dhatu will go like modate. I'll open mud dhatu.
Mudate, modete, modante, modase, modethe, modadve, mode, modavahe, modamahe. Then Lutlakara, modita, moditarav.
Lut. You can do lut.
Sorry.
That we did not do.
Modishyate, modishyete, modishyante, modishyase, modishyethe, modishyadve, modishye, modishyavahe, modishyamahe.
If you see here, ikara is there. Before sakara, there is ikara. That's why sakara changed into shakara. this sakara is there. Before sakara there is ikara. That's why this sakara changed into shakara. Load.
मोदतां मोदेतां मोदन्तां मोदस्व मोदेथां मोदध्वं मोदै मोदावहै मोदामहे. Then lang lakara amodat amodetam
Amodata.
amodata amodetam amodanta amodatha
Amodataha. Amodataha.
amodathaha amodetham amodadvam amode amodavahi amodamahi. Vidhiling modeta modeyatam moderam
Yatam.
modeyatam moderan modethah modeyatham modedvam modaye
Modeya.
modeya modevahi modemahi.
Next dhatu, Shivananji. Saha dhatu. Saha is which meaning equal? Yes, saha dhatu you can do.
सहते सहेते सहन्ते सहसे सहेथे सहद्वे सहे सहावहे सहामहे.
You can do rut.
सहिष्यते सहिष्येते सहिष्यन्ते सहिष्यसे सहिष्येथे सहिष्यद्वे सहिष्ये सहिष्यावहे सहिष्यामहे. लोट. सहतां सहेतां सहन्तां सहस्व सहेधां सहध्वं सहै सहावहै सहामहै. असहत असहेतां असहेतां असहन्त असहताः असहेतां असहध्वं असहे असावहि असामै
Asahavahi. Asahavahi.
असहावहि असहामहि. नेक्स्ट विधिलिंग सह सहेत सहेयातां सहेरन् सहेताः सहेयाथां सहेध्वं सहेय सहेवहि सहेमहि.
Next dhatu, yach. Umama is there?
Yes.
Okay, both are there, Parasmapadi and Atmanepadi. We can just do Atmanepadi.
लट्लकार याचते याचेते याचन्ते याचसे याचेथे याचद्वे याचे याचावहे याचामहे। लृट्कार यचिष्यते याचिष्य
याचिष्यते
सॉरी याचिष्यते याचिष्येते याचिष्यन्ते याचिष्यसे याचिष्येथे याचिष्यध्वे याचिष्ये याचिष्यावहे याचिष्यामहे। लोट लकार याचतां याचेतां याचन्तां याचस्व याचेथां याचध्वं याचै याचावहै याचामहै। लङ् लकार अयाचत अयाचेताम् अयाचन्त अयाचथाः अयाचेथाम् अयाचध्वम् अयाचे अयाचावहि अयाचामहि। विधिलिंग याचेत याचे यातां याचेरन् याचेथाः याचे याथां याचेध्वम् याचेय याचेवहि याचेमहि।
Yes. I just wanted to share something. In last our Laghu class, Swamiji was suggesting something. How we read this? Or anything from here? Anything? How we read that?
याच प्लस लिंग।
So when we say plus, Swamiji says, if we don't mention plus, time save and energy save. So we can say yach ling, yach la, yach ta. Like that, we can go and say without using this plus or in Hindi dhana they say. So Swamiji was suggesting. So I was thinking, how many unnecessary words we will speak in a day. When it comes to Swamiji was thinking so deep. Plus, if we go on say yash plus ling, yash plus la, yash plus the, energy waste and time waste. Yach, then vrit. Vrit vartane. Next, Upendra ji is there?
Dear Ma, am I audible?
Yes, please.
Vartate, vartate, vartete, vartante, vartase, vartete, vartadve, varte, vartavahe, vartamahe. Vartsyati, vartsyataha, vartsyanti, vartsyasi, vartsyatha, vartsyatha, vartsyami, vartsyasya, vartishyate, vartishyante, vartishyase, vartishyethe, vartishyadve, vartishye, vartishyavahe, vartishyamahe. Vartatam, vartetam, vartantam, vartasta, vartetham, vartadvam, वर्ते वर्तावहे वर्तामहे महे वर्ते वर्तावहै वर्तामहे
लङ् लकार
अवर्तत अवर्तेताम् अवर्तन्त अवर्तथाः अवर्तेध्वम् अवर्ते अवर्तावहि अवर्तामहि
विधिलिङ्ग्
वर्तेत वर्तेयाम् वर्तेरन् वर्तेथा वर्तेयाथाम् वर्तेध्वम् वर्तेय वर्तेहि वर्तेमहि
नेक्स्ट जिया जी
ईक्षते ईक्षेते ईक्षन्ते ईक्षसे ईक्षेथे ईक्षद्वे ईक्षे ईक्षावहे ईक्षामहे रुट्लकार ईक्षिष्यते ईक्षिष्येते ईक्षिष्यन्ते ईक्षिष्यसे ईक्षिष्येथे ईक्षिष्यद्वे ईक्षिष्ये ईक्षिष्यावहे ईक्षिष्यामहे लोट्लकार ईक्षताम् ईक्षेताम् ईक्षन्ताम् ईक्षस्व ईक्षेथाम् ईक्षध्वम् ईक्षै ईक्षावहै ईक्षामहै लङ्लकार एक्षता एक्षेताम् ऐक्षत सॉरी ऐक्षत ऐक्षेताम् ऐक्षन्त ऐक्षथाः ऐक्षेथाम् ऐक्षध्वम् ऐक्षे ऐक्षावहि ऐक्षामहि विधिलिङ्ग् ईक्षेत ईक्षेयाथाम् ईक्षेयाताम् ईक्षेरन् ईक्षेथाः ईक्षेयाथाम् ईक्षेध्वम् ईक्षेय ईक्षेवहि ईक्षेमहि
नेक्स्ट अपर्णा जी
निरीक्षते निरीक्षेते निरीक्षन्ते निरीक्षसे निरीक्ष्येथे निरीक्षत्वे निरीक्षे निरीक्षावहे निरीक्षामहे प्रकारः निरीक्षिष्यते निरीक्षिष्येथे निरीक्षिष्यन्ते निरीक्षिष्यसे निरीक्षिष्येथे निरीक्षिष्यद्वे निरीक्षिष्ये निरीक्षिष्यावहे निरीक्षिष्यामहे लोट्लकारः निरीक्षताम् निरीक्षेताम् निरीक्षन्ताम् निरीक्षस्व निरीक्ष्येथाम् निरीक्षत्वम् निरीक्षै निरीक्षावहै निरीक्षामहै लङ्लकारः निरैक्ष्यत निरैक्ष्येताम् निरैक्ष्यन्त निरैक्ष्यथाः निरैक्ष्येथाम् निरैक्षध्वम् निरैक्ष्ये निरैक्ष्यावहि निरैक्ष्यामहि
why there is no a in this lang lakara? Generally there should be a, right?
Yes,
लोप निर् उपसर्ग
Iksha. E plus
A.
I.
Nir upasarga.
Ikshidatu.
Nir plus E.
E. Langlakara. A will come.
Nir A E.
Plus
A
E.
plus E becomes I.
I.
So niraikshata. So we should not feel that there is no akara starting, therefore it is not langlakara. So when upasarga is there, after upasarga only we will add the akara for langlakara. If you noticed earlier dhatus also we declined in that way only. After upasarga only we added akara. Okay, next vidhiling.
Niriksheta, niriksheyatam, niriksheran, nirikshetaha, niriksheyatham, nirikshetvam, niriksheya, nirikshevahi, nirikshemahi.
Next dhatu, band dhatu. It is good to decline. So at least once we decline, whenever we see, okay, here this kind of form is there. I read it. Like that, one day we all know. Like that, some forms we will become familiar. Okay, next.
Latlakara, vandate, vandete, vandante, vandase, vandete, vandadve, vande, vandavahe, vandamahe. Rutlakara, vandishyate, vandishyete, vandishyante, vandishyase, vandishyethe, vandishyadve, vandishye, vandishyavahe, vandishyamahe. Lotlakara.
Why here vandisyate did not come? Why there is shakara?
Ikara is the E plus
Because
sa.
ikara is yeah.
After ikara, if there is sakara, then sakara will change
Sakara
into
changes
shakara.
into sakara.
Shakara. By which sutra? Do you remember? Adesha pratyayoho. By that sutra. Adesha pratyayoho. Sutra number is 8359. Adesha pratyayoho. Yes. Next, continue.
Lotlakara, vandatam, vandetam, vandantam, vandasva, vandhe, vandetham, vandadvam, vandai, vandavahai, vandamahai. Langlakara, avandata, avandetam, avandanta, avandataha, avandetham, avandadvam, avande, avandavahi, avandamahi. Vidhili.
So we are familiar that in lang lakara, akara will come, right? So by which sutra this akara will come? This lung, lang, rung, shvadu, shvadu dataha. By this sutra, at pratyahara happens. In lung, lang, rung. In all these lakaras, akara will come. Sutra 6471. लुङ् लकारस्य लङ् लकारस्य लृङ् लकारस्य प्रत्यये परे अङ्गस्य अट् आगमः भवति. words. Whenever I feel to introduce any sutra, I may do it. If you are able to get it. Otherwise, just be sakshi. Continue.
Siddhiling Lakar, Vandeta, Vandeyatam, Vanderan, Vandetaha, Vandeyatham, Vandedvam, Vandeya, Vandevahi, Vandemahi.
Next dhatu, bhash dhatu. Vyaktayam vachi. Next, Kavya. Jaya, you can just listen. You don't look at the mobile if you are unable to look at. Kavya. Kavya, are you there? Oh, Kavya is unable to. Okay. Prabhaji.
Yeah. Bhashate, bhashete, bhashante, bhashase, bhashethe, bhashadve, bhashe, bhashavahe, bhashamahe. Then lot lakar. Okay. Bhashatam, bhashetam, bhashantam, bhashasva, bhashetham, bhashadvam, bhashai, bhashavahai, bhashamahai. Then lang lakar. Abhashata, abhashetam, abhashanta, abhashathaha, abhashetham, abhashadvam, abhashe, abhashavahi, abhashamahi. Vidhiling. Bhasheta, bhasheyatam, bhasheran, bhashethaha, bhasheyatham, bhashadvam. Bhashedvam, sorry. Bhasheya, bhashevahi, bhashemahi.
Okay. Next, urdh dhatu. Kridayam. Next, Sirisha ji.
Kurdate, kurdete, kurdante, kurdase, kurdethe, kurdadve, kurde, kurdavahe, kurdamahe. Kurdishyate, kurdishyate, kurdishyante, kurdishyase, kurdishyethe, kurdishyadve, kurdishye, kurdishyavahe, kurdishyamahe. Lot lakara. Kurdatam, kurdetam, kurdantam, kurdasva, kurdetham, kurdadvam, kurdaihi, kurdavahai.
Visarga is not there. Visarga is not there.
Kurdai, kurdavahai, kurdamahai. Lang lakara. Akurdat, akurdetam,
Akurdata.
akurdata, akurdetam, akurdanta, akurdatha, akurdetam,
Akurdathaha. Visarga is there.
akurdathaha, akurdetham, akurdadvam, akurde, akurdavahi, akurdamahi. Vidhiling. Kurdeta, kurdeyatam, कूर्दयातां कूर्देरन् कूर्देथाः कूर्देयाथां कूर्देध्वं कूर्देय कूर्देवहि कूर्देमहि.
Today Swamiji used that word in Vedanta Paribhasha. Those who have attended this Lyut Pratyahara, when it is given the example, Gau Anaya, in that example Visheshanas were used. In that Visheshanas, that 4 legs, I
Yes,
don't remember that word.
yes, the table. Yes, yes.
At that time, Lyut Pratyaya was used. Shashti Vibhakti and Lyut Pratyaya together it was using. So when we know some niyamas, then we will pay attention whenever whoever speaks in Sanskrit. So if we don't know niyama, then we don't pay attention to word what it is and all. Yet. Okay, next, who is that? Shivananji. Shivananji, are you there?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Just a minute, ma'am. Just a minute.
Okay. You want page number?
No, just a minute. Just 1 minute, please. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Yetate, yetete, yetante, yetase, yetete, yetadve,
Yatadve.
yetadve, yete, yetavahe, yetamahe. Next is lut. Yetishyate, yetishyete, yetishyante, yetishyase, yetishyethe, yetishyadve, yetishye, yetishyavahe, yetishyamahe. Lot. Yatatam, yetetam,
Yatetam.
yetetam, yetantam, yetasva, yetetham, yetadvo, yethai, yetavahai, yetamahai. Lam lakarah. Ayatata, ayetetam, ayatanta, ayatataha, ayatetham, ayatadvam,
Not a dirgha rasva. Ayatadvam.
ayatadvam, ayate, ayatavahi, ayatamahi. Then Vidilling, yeteta, yeteyatam, yeteran, yetetaha, yeteyatham, yetetham, yeteya, yetevahi, yetemahi.
Next dhatu shiksha. Next, Umaji.
Yes. Latlakara, shikshate, shikshete, shikshante, shikshase, shikshete, shikshadve, shikshe, shikshavahe, shikshamahe. लृट् लकार शिशिक्ष्यते शिशिक्ष्येते sorry
शिक्षिष्यते.
शिशिक्ष्यते
No, not two shakaras, only one shakara. Shikshishyate.
शिशिक्ष्यते शिशिक्ष शिक्षिक्ष्येते
Not shishi, not shishi, shikshi. Only shikshi.
शिक्षिष्येते शिक्षिष्यन्ते शिक्षिक्ष्यसे
Again that word. Shikshishyase again.
शिशिक्ष्यसे
Not
शिशिक्ष्ये
shishi, not shishi, shikshi. Only two.
शिक्षि
हाँ
शिक्षिष्यसे
हाँ.
शिक्षिष्येथे शिक्षिक्ष्यध्वे
Again you are saying shikshish. Two shakaras.
Shishiksh. Okay.
Shikshishyate.
Can you say it one more time?
Shikshishyadve.
Shikshishyadve. Shikshe. Shikshishyavahe. Shikshyamahe. Shikshaktam. Shikshetam. Shikshantam. Shikshasva. Shikshetam. Shikshadvam. Shikshay. Shikshavahai. Shikshamahai. Lang lakara. Ashikshata. Ashikshetam. Ashikshanta. Ashikshataha. Ashikshetam. Ashikshadvam. Ashikshe. Ashikshavahi. Ashikshamahi.
Okay.
Vidhilinga. Shiksheta, shiksheyatam, shiksheran. Shikshetaha, shiksheyatam, shikshedvam. Shiksheya, shikshevahi, shikshemahi.
Next is Kamp Dhatu. Upendra ji.
हरि ओम
Can you declare?
कंपेते audible amma
Yes, continue.
कंपते कंपे कंपन्ते कंपे 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 वहे कंपाम.
Okay, voice is breaking, but okay, you can decline.
कंपिष्यते कंपिष्येते कंपिष्यते कंपिष्येत कंपिष्यध्वे कंपिष्ये कंपिष्यावहे कंपिष्यामहे कंपाम कंपनाम स्व पेथाम कंपावहे कामहे. कंपथाः कंपेथां कंपेवावहि अकंपामहि. पेत कंपेया कंपे कंपतां कंपेरन् कंपेताः कंपेयथां कंध्वं कंपेय कंपेवहि
नेक्स्ट धातु भिक्ष धातु. विजया जी.
भिक्षते भिक्षेते भिक्षन्ते भिक्षसे भिक्षेथे भिक्षद्वे भिक्षे भिक्षावहे भिक्षामहे. लृट् लकार भिक्षिष्यते भिक्षिष्येते भिक्षिष्यन्ते भिक्षिष्यसे भिक्षिष्येथे भिक्षिष्यद्वे भिक्षिष्ये भिक्षिष्यावहे भिक्षिष्यामहे. लोट् लकार
What is the sutra? Sakara to change into shakara.
आदेश प्रत्ययोः
प्रत्यययोः.
प्रत्यययोः.
Continue.
लृट् लकार भिक्षिष्यते भिक्षिष्येते
You finished that.
लोट् लकार भिक्षतां भिक्षेतां भिक्षन्तां भिक्षस्व भिक्षेथां भिक्षध्वं भिक्षै भिक्षावहै भिक्षामहै. लङ् लकार अभिक्षता अभिक्षेताम् अभिक्षन्त अभिक्षताः अभिक्षेथाम् अभिक्षध्वम् अभिक्षे अभिक्षावहि अभिक्षामहि. विधिलिङ् भिक्षेता भिक्षेयातां भिक्षेरन् भिक्षेताः भिक्षेयाथां भिक्षेध्वं भिक्षेय भिक्षेवहि भिक्षेमहि.
Next, Aparna ji.
ईहते ईहेते ईहन्ते ईहसे ईहेथे ईहद्वे ईहे ईहावहे ईहामहे. कृट्लकारः ईहि ईहिष्यते ईहिष्येते ईहिष्यन्ते ईहिष्यते ईहिष्यसे ईहिष्येथे ईहिष्यद्वे ईहिष्ये ईहिष्यावहे ईहिष्यामहे.
E is dirgha.
ईहिष्यामहे. लोट्लकारः ईहताम् ईहेताम् ईहन्ताम् ईहस्व ईहेथाम् ईहध्वम् ईहै ईहावहै ईहामहै. लङ्लकारः एहेता एहेता ऐहेता ऐहता ऐहेताम् ऐहन्ता ऐहथाः ऐहेथाम् ऐहध्वम् ऐहे ऐहावहि ऐहामहि. विधिलिङ् ईहेता ईहैयाताम् ईहेयाताम् ईहेरन् ईहेथाः ईहेयाथाम् ईहेध्वम् ईहेया ईहेवहि ईहेमहि.
Okay. Shubha and Ram, two dhatus are there. We'll see tomorrow. And we'll see only 3 niyamas are there. All are simple niyamas. Then we can look at the vakyas.
Quick question, Purna ji.
Yes.
So in that niriksha, right? The the lot lakara, when that a plus, 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 when that a E with Dirgha will be I, right? Which Sandhi was that? Is it Akasavarna Adgunaha?
Nir a iksh. Shati. This is the form, right?
Yeah. So A plus E, you said I. So that which Sandhi was that? Is it Adgunaha or
Vriddhi Sandhi. What is the Vriddhi Sandhi?
So Akara is joined with A, O, right? A, O, Vriddhi.
अवर्णात् एच्वर्णे परे संहितायां पूर्वपरयोः एकः वृद्धि एकादेशः भवति. Yes, H, but here it is not H.
So probably Adgunaha, I.
Adgunaha, I won't come.
Yeah, I won't come.
There could be some exceptional sutra. Adajadinam. This before E, At Agama happens, then Atascha by this sutra, Achvarne pare Ubayoho ekah Vriddhihi ekadeshaha bhavati. Even though Guna Prapta, but with this sutra, Atascha by this sutra, Vriddhi happens. I'll just show you. Where is that? See here, A is there, Takara will get Lopa. Yeah, you just remove this Takara and A plus E is there. Generally, A plus E, what will happen?
A happens for Adguna,
A
right?
happens. By Adgunaha. But here, A is there. In the place of Akara, Akara is replaced by Aikara. By this Atascha Sutra, Vriddhi happens here. And in Guna, we are not, Guna is what? Akara. When Akara, Hrasva Akara, when it is followed by a, I, U, R, then only Guna happens, not Dirgha Akara. So this is Adajadinam. By this sutra, At Agama happens, that Akara is Dirgha. Dirgha Akara becomes Aikara by Atascha. What is Vriddhi? Just remember that here vriddhi happens, not guna. That's all.
Okay. Thank you.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi